Before we start our tutorial video today, if you love our videos, please click on like button and make sure to click on subscribe and bell icon to receive notifications of future helpful content of automation and process control. Now let's get started. Excel-based PID Loop Simulator. In this tutorial video today, I will demonstrate an Excel-based PID simulator issued by automationforum.co, as it is a tool developed in Microsoft Excel that enables users to simulate and analyze proportional integral derivative (PID) control systems. It allows for the modeling and testing of PID controllers, which are widely used in industrial automation and process control. For you to trying this Microsoft Excel spreadsheet for the PID simulator, I left the download link in the description box of this video below. How to use. Process gain, lag time, and delay time are the three parameters that make up the first-order time delay (FOTPD) process. These settings should be specified in the simulator's process section. In the controller section, enter the controller values. The controller gain, integral time in seconds, and derivative time in seconds are these parameters. To examine the open loop response, select the open loop option. The controller is not utilized in this mode. The graph displays how the process value is affected by a step change in the controlled variable, such a control valve. The program replicates the PID equation in its parallel form, which is a common form in academic settings. Now let's go and simulate and analyze proportional integral derivative (PID) control systems using this Microsoft Excel spreadsheet for the PID simulator. After we have downloaded the Excel tool, we will click on it and start to represent the values of PID. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.